today. That's why we already had this severe thunderstorm watch in eastern Ohio and western Pennsylvania until 8. But the newest addition to that goes into central PA and then all the way down through Maryland and northern Virginia as well. Severe thunderstorm watch until 10 o'clock this evening. It won't surprise me at all if, give it a couple more hours, we need a watch that encompasses more areas off to the east or off to the south. From Richmond to Roanoke, we're starting to see some storms firing up also. And if those get enough organization, there may be a need for a watch in this area as well. Let's start out by looking at that big cluster of storms that came through Ohio and the Marysville area that Jen sent us that image from. Now, look at this clustering, indicating some pretty good winds. We got one bow this way, another one trying to organize here. So some gusty winds on that front edge. Still a hail threat with these, up to golf ball size, maybe even a little bit bigger. So right along I-70, this is just a terrible drive, right? Leaving Columbus, going eastbound to Cambridge, you'll go right through that storm. Coshocton, Guernsey, Muskegon, all under severe thunderstorm warnings until 3:30. I-77 up through Canton the whole way. Carroll, Harrison, Tuscarawas, all under severe thunderstorm warnings until 3:15, and then continue into Canton itself. You're getting nailed right now. Heavy rain and hail in Stark County. That goes until 3:15. I mentioned those storms outside Roanoke. There's a hail producer and some wind going right up 81 or maybe just southeast of the highway. And also headed towards Farmville, we've got a big storm as well. That one's over Campbell, Charlotte, and Halifax. The bottom line here, Jackie, is give it another half hour and there's going to be too many storms for me to call out each and every warning. I think the coverage is really going to increase over the next half an hour to an hour. Get ready tonight across the east. Another busy night on the way.
Yeah, we've got a busy day today, too, in the state of Florida. We've got some new video just into us showing us some of the challenges that folks are already facing in parts of the state, well ahead of Cristobal. Oh, my goodness. You never want to drive through this. Look at how high that water is. It's very easy for a car to stall out in these kind of conditions. Just 6 inches of water is going to knock you off your feet. A foot or two of water can float your vehicle. So you never want to take that risk. Always turn around and find that alternate route. So it shows you that our heavy downpours are already leading to flooding in parts of the state. And this has nothing to do with Cristobal. This is just some tropical moisture that's being fed into the area. We've got a little trough there as well that is helping to provide a little bit of lift and just copious amounts of moisture.